Thank you so much for watching the Press Avenue YouTube channel. My name is John, and today we're going to talk about how to disable comments on your WordPress website. Now, comments in the past have been really great. Typically, people would leave a comment and it'd be an actual person, but most of the time these days, 99% of them are spam. Now, if you're asking for a lot of comments, there's different solutions for that, but today we'll talk about how to disable it completely. So we're going to be using a plugin from the WordPress repository, and this plugin is called Disable Comments. So there's a few options for this. We like this one because it's been used on 1 million plus active installs. We've used it across 50 plus sites, and it gets updated quite a bit. So let's go ahead and add it, and then we'll walk you through the options. So we'll head over to our WordPress website, and we're going to go to the dashboard. Simply just log in, and it'll bring you here. We'll go to Plugins, and then Add New. And then on the top right where it says Search Plugins, we're going to type Disable Comments. And you'll see right there, the black with the red by Samir. So 216 5-star reviews. That's great for me. Yes, there are other ones on here, but this one has 1 million plus. And that's why I like it, and I've used it in the past. So we'll go ahead and install it and activate it. So now that it's activated, it gives this warning across the top, or I should say notice. It's active, but nothing is actually happening. So we'll head over to the configuration page. Once we're here, we can specify per post type. So if you have custom post types installed, you'll see them here. So you can say just on posts, just on pages, or just on media. So you simply select this and hit save. But I'm actually going to go and hit everywhere. So it does have a warning here that this option affects the entire site. If you don't want it everywhere, do this below. So if you see on the left-hand side, currently I have the comments area of the admin. After I save this, it says options updated. There may be caching, etc. So if I go back to the dashboard and reload this page, you'll see that the comments have completely disappeared. What I like about this is they're all off across the board. I don't have to worry about old blog posts or new ones. Everything is off. That's it. This one's quite quick. If you go back to plugins and then disable comments, you can get back to the settings, and then under settings, disable comments. That's how you'd get back to it to turn it off. And that's it. If you have any questions about WordPress, how to use it, different plugins or features, please let us know in the comments below. If this was helpful, go ahead and give it a thumbs up, and additionally hit that red subscribe button in the bottom right-hand corner. Thank you so much for watching. Thanks again for watching this video. Right below me is a circle where you can click to subscribe to this channel. If you click the little bell, it'll let you know of new WordPress tutorials. Additionally, right next to it's a square that'll bring you to our website where you can click community and join our free Facebook group. Over on the right are playlists just for you. Thanks for watching.